Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna introduce the Web of Science, and it is the website that includes various types of databases. For example, the Web of Science Core Collection, Biological Abstract Inspect, Mathline, Russia Science Citation Index. They are basically just different types of database that have different focus. For example, for the Web of Science Core Collection, it includes journals, books in science, social science, art, and humanity. Mathline mainly focus on the public health, biomedicine. So if you have specific types of articles that you want to look into, so you could just pick up a specific database. So firstly, I'm gonna demonstrate how to use the basic search. And I'd say this website is most useful in the natural science field because we could say that they're basically all about biology, physics, medicine stuff. So the topic I want to search about is the impact of wine on heart. From here, it's a topic we want to search, and you could also type in title, author, and the time span. This website includes the publications from 1945 to 2018. But I'm gonna looking for the most updated information, so I pick last 5 years. And I select all of the databases. You could also choose which language you wanna have, and you just click search. So these are the related articles, but we can notice that they are basically all from the Wake Forest University database because the Web of Science provides us the articles that we have access to. From here, we could view the abstract and see how many keywords it matches. And these are the times cited. If we are looking for more reliable resources, we could pick up an article that was more cited by other people. And more interesting thing about this website is you could analyze the result. It could show us what are the publication years, author, country, regions. We could compare them and to find out which one we want. Maybe we want from publications from United States, so we can see here. And we could also narrow down the publication by choosing specific year and specific document types. So we have narrowed down the information. And for the advanced search, these are the field tags we could use. And because it contains different databases have their own field tags. So firstly, we're gonna type in the topics we have, which is TS equals Y and benefit. Here are the search history we had, and this function could help us to looking for specific results and by using the combined sets. For example, if I'm looking for a specific author, I type AU, which means author. And then I could choose to combine this two sets. We could choose and combine. Then here's the only result that we had. It's the one I'm looking for, specifically done by the author Joe. And now we could get the full text for that. Here are more information about this article, like how many times it was cited and the reference. At the bottom of this page, we could see the cited reference. If you're looking for the further information or related articles, you could directly click into that link. So for accessing the whole article, we could say this is free because of the open access, and then it's automatically download. And now we get the full article for that. So this is basically how the Web of Science works. If you're looking for academic publications that is related to science, you could use this website.